Welcome guys to my new video. Hello engineers in the house. I don't know if you have ever encountered this issue before. The customer just brought this phone to me and is complaining about the charging port. But first and foremost, I actually tested the charging port and I discovered that the charging port is good, that is okay. Look at me now, I'll plug the charger. It will bring light, but it will not show this charging signal. Look at it now. It will only stop at this ITEL logo here. To just stop here. This way to stop. Just watch it carefully. It will only stop at this level. It will not go beyond here. It will not charge. So this is to show that the charging port is actually good. Even though I remove the charger, they look at it now. If I remove the charger, you can see the sign will still be showing. The ITEL logo will still be showing. So this is actually not the charging port fault and it's not from the charging IC. Now let me show you how you can fix this easily. Now get your panel from the casing carefully. Let me remove my panel and then let me show you how you can fix this very easily. Now I'm getting the panel out now. I'm getting the panel out for you. So now I'll show you what is the cause of this. So now let me keep the part aside. So this is the panel I'm holding like this. This is the panel. So now let me on the light. So now looking at the battery connector. The battery connector has three terminals: the positive, the middle, which is the BSI, and the ground. So this is the BSI. So looking at these three connectors now, you can see that all of them are connected except the middle. You see that the middle is not connected. So now I'm going to run a jumper wire. So you're going to run I'm going to run a jumper for you and then show you where you will connect it to. So now look at it very well. Now I've taken my jumper. Now let me use my razor and then scrape the coating from the main wire, and then I'll apply my lead. Let me use my lead and then show you how to do it. So now let me use my soldering iron now. Let me use my soldering iron and do it. So now I want to apply the lead to the jumper wire first. Let me apply the lead to the jumper wire before applying it to the connector. So now I'm applying the lead. Oh, this soldering iron is too big. Let me pick another one. Let me change it to the iron for you. That one cannot enter that place. So now I'm taking a smaller one now. So now let me apply the lead to the middle, which is the BSI, battery system indicator. That is the full meaning of BSI, battery system indicator. So now I've applied my lead and I've connected the jumper wire. You can see it. I've connected it successfully. So now I'm taking the jumper to where it's supposed to be connected. You can see. So you take it to this point I'm showing you now, where the road TREF. That point, you can see it. You take it to this point. Yeah, you can see it there. There's the point. So it's actually close to where the mouthpiece is connected to on the PCB. So that point there, where you can see like the silver or the golden coating there. So you are going to jump it to that place, to that point. Jump it there. So now I'm trying to let me peel off the coating. Let me get rid of the coating so that my lead can work effectively on this. So let me use my soldering iron and run this. So let me apply the lead. So now let me use my picker. Now let me connect it. I'll connect it for you now. I'm done. Successfully connected. You can see, take a look at these engineers. You can see I have successfully connected from the BSI, which is the middle point, to the jumper, through the jumper. So now I'm going to put it in the casing. Now let me test it for you now, to see, for you to know that yes, what you have done is correct and it's working. So now let me put my charger. You can see, let's watch. Wow, it's good, it's working. Wow, 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 it's good. You can see it's working. You can see, let me power it on and see. You will still see that it's charging. You can see it. You can see it is charging. It's charging. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and see you again in my next video. Bye for now.